Since the beginning of our Advent journey, we've been hearing the call of Saint John the Baptist to prepare the way for the Lord, to make straight the paths, to make crooked ways straight, to make the hill leveled. At ang isa po sa mga tumugon na makikita natin sa paanyayang ito ay walang iba kundi ang ating mahal na ina. Her humble life and her humble obedience to the Lord made it possible for Jesus to be with her. Mary prepared for the Lord. God made the paths for her life straight. God made whatever was crooked in her straight. Alam niyo po, hindi pa naman po huli ang mga panahon, hindi pa naman huli ang oras para sa lahat. The Lord wishes to give us blessings after blessings. But it requires one special action on our end, our humble way of life, our capacity to say that we are always handmaids of the Lord. Baka po may mga karanasan o laman pa ang ating mga puso na hindi na tayo ginagawang tunay na abang lingkod o mababa ang kalooban. Baka baluktot pa ang ating mga puso para sa Pasko. Baka puno pa ng yabang, puno pa ng kasalanan, ng sakim, ng sugat, ng marahil pagiging arogante ang ating puso. Baka masyado pang puno ang puso natin ng mga nagpapabulag sa atin, kaya pala hindi na natin nakikita ang pagdating ng Diyos sa ating buhay. In humble ways, God can make His way into our lives. God prepared Mary with a humble heart and life. At tinugon naman ito ni Maria. Nabuhay siya ng walang yabang, walang ere, ni walang halong masama. She was humble and lowly so that God can make His way to her and in her. My dear brothers and sisters, if we are praying for a merry and blessed Christmas, let us learn and live humble ways. We bow our heads, we make our hearts level, we make our lives straight, so that like Mary, we can make room for Jesus in our lives, and indeed experience a blessed encounter and love from Him.